In this video, we'll delve into how incorporating daily squats into your routine can revolutionize not only your legs but your overall physique. Squats are among the most effective compound exercises, working multiple muscle groups at once, enhancing athletic performance, and improving everyday physical movements. While they're best known for building leg strength, squats offer a range of other benefits. So, can squats really transform your whole body? Do they help with core strength as well? Number 7 could be a game changer for many, so watch the video till the end. Number 1. Strengthen and sculpt your glutes. One of the main muscles activated during squats is the gluteus maximus, the largest muscle in your body, responsible for shaping and lifting your butt. Doing squats regularly strengthens and tones this muscle, providing visible improvements over time. One key technique to maximize glute engagement is to focus on squeezing your glutes as you rise from the squat position. However, be mindful not to overextend your hips or thrust your pelvis forward, as this could affect your form and reduce the effectiveness of the exercise. When done correctly, squats will tighten and lift your glutes, giving you a toned and defined posterior. If you're looking for ways to increase glute activation, consider incorporating variations such as goblet squats, overhead squats, or sumo squats. These moves not only activate the glutes more effectively but also allow for greater depth in your squat, leading to better results. A strong, well-defined butt is a sign of regular squatting, and it's one of the many aesthetic benefits of this exercise. Number 2. Boost overall strength. Squats are often hailed as the king of exercises because they mimic many movements we do in daily life, like sitting and standing. The more you practice squatting, the stronger your body becomes, making these movements easier and more efficient. Squats also increase your body's power output and force production, which can improve sports performance and general physical capabilities. Beyond the basic squat, there are numerous variations that can enhance your strength. Back squats, front squats, and squat thrusters are all excellent options for building power and endurance. Incorporating weights, such as barbells or kettlebells, can further challenge your muscles and boost strength gains. Daily squats can turn you into a powerhouse, not just by strengthening muscles but by reinforcing your bones and joints as well. Number 3. Reduce the risk of injury. Many injuries, particularly those involving movement, stem from muscle weaknesses or imbalances. Squats are a great tool for identifying and addressing these issues, which is why trainers and physical therapists often use them to assess joint health and mobility. Regular squats strengthen the muscles surrounding your joints, stabilizing them and reducing the likelihood of injury. Strong hips, for example, can prevent knee, ankle, and foot injuries, while improving your range of motion and flexibility. Squats also enhance balance and coordination, both of which are crucial for preventing falls and other injuries. Additionally, regular squatting increases flexibility and mobility, protecting against injuries caused by tight or weak muscles. So, if you want to stay injury-free, make squats a staple in your exercise routine. Number 4. Strengthen your core. When people think of the core, they often focus on abs, but it includes much more than that. Your core consists of your abdominals, obliques, and lower and mid-back muscles. These muscles are essential for stabilizing your spine and allowing you to bend, twist, and move in various directions. Squats activate these core muscles, especially the erector spinae, which helps support your spine. Squats are an excellent way to strengthen the entire core, improving stability and reducing the risk of injury. In fact, squats may be even more effective than planks when it comes to building core strength. When doing squats, make sure to engage your core by breathing in as you lower down and exhaling as you stand. This engagement not only strengthens the muscles but also improves posture and spinal alignment over time. Number 5. Prepare your body for physical activity. Squats prime your body for physical exertion by increasing lower body strength, improving balance, and enhancing mobility, 3 factors crucial to athletic performance. As a multi-joint exercise, squats raise your body's temperature, increase blood flow to the muscles, and activate key motor patterns that help improve overall movement. Back squats, in particular, are known for boosting athletic performance because they engage multiple muscle groups at once, including the glutes, core, and lower body. This variation of the squat trains the muscles needed for explosive actions like jumping, sprinting, and agility-based movements. If you find this information helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn all notifications on to stay updated with our latest fitness tips. Number 6. Strengthen your bones. Performing strength training exercises, like squats, is not only good for muscle growth but also for bone health. Your thigh bone, or femur, is the largest bone in the body and supports the biggest muscles, such as the glutes. Squats apply resistance to your body, helping your muscles and bones adapt and grow stronger. This resistance also boosts bone density. A study conducted in 2017 found that weight training significantly reduces the risk of osteoporosis in adolescents and helps maintain bone health as we age. Adults who regularly engage in squats and other weight-bearing exercises can preserve bone mass and protect against conditions like osteoporosis and osteopenia. Number 7. Burn more calories. If you're aiming to lose weight, squats can be a game changer. Since squats engage the legs, the largest muscle group in the body, they burn a significant amount of energy. Moreover, because squats are a compound movement, they activate multiple muscle groups at once, further increasing calorie burn. Regular squatting also leads to an increase in muscle mass, which boosts your metabolism. This means you'll burn more calories even while at rest. Although strength training burns fewer calories than cardio during exercise, it increases your resting metabolic rate, allowing you to continue burning calories after your workout. To maximize your results, combine squats with other compound exercises like lunges, deadlifts, and pull-ups to target multiple muscle groups and increase calorie expenditure. Number 8. Improve your posture. Posture plays a key role in maintaining a healthy musculoskeletal system. Good posture reduces the likelihood of back or neck pain and improves breathing and digestion. Squats, when performed correctly, strengthen your back, shoulders, and core, all of which help improve body alignment. Squatting regularly can correct poor posture, particularly front squats, which place less strain on the lower back and encourage a deeper range of motion. With consistent practice, you'll notice an improvement in your overall posture, which will benefit you not only during workouts but in everyday life. Number 9. Increase flexibility, balance, and mobility. To squat properly, a certain level of flexibility is required, but squats can also improve your flexibility over time. As you practice lowering deeper into the squat, your body adapts, improving both mobility and flexibility. Mobility is a combination of strength and flexibility, and it's crucial for achieving a full range of motion in the squat. Squats also improve balance by engaging multiple muscle groups, including the core, which plays a key role in stabilizing your body. With increased flexibility, mobility, and core strength, your balance improves, reducing the risk of injury from falls or missteps. Number 10. Develop strong, sculpted legs. Squats provide an intense leg workout that targets the hamstrings, quadriceps, and glutes. By lowering into the squat, your hamstrings are engaged, and as you stand, your quads and glutes are activated. This combination of muscle engagement results in strong, toned legs over time. For best results, ensure your feet are pointed slightly outward, your knees stay behind your toes, and your shoulders remain down and back. Maintaining proper form during squats ensures that you're maximizing leg activation while avoiding injury. Thank you for watching. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this information helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more tips and insights on health and fitness, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.